Hi YouTube and happy Friday. In tonight's video I'd like to show you an emulator of the cardiac paper computer that you can use in a web page. This is all JavaScript based and developed by Brian Stewart, a computer science professor at Drexel University. This means that you don't need to have a cardiac paper computer in order to run sample cardiac programs. You can run cardiac programs stepwise or all at once using this emulator in JavaScript. Loading programs is pretty simple. You just copy in what you would load into the sorry, it's yawn. What you load into your card deck into this deck text box. Load that into the reader. And then you can see the instruction register, opcode, and operand fields as you would see on an actual cardiac computer, along with the output, program counter, and accumulator. I think the program counter is a little bit different as you don't really have a ladybug. You kind of do though, because the memories are marked by color. There's green for whichever memory cell, whichever program step you are currently on. Okay, so with that said, let's take a quick sample program, the counting from 1 to 10 program that I talked about in a previous video, and copy in the card deck to load the program into memory and go ahead and run this program. So when I load this, you can see that what's in the deck is loaded into the reader, and I can go ahead and run the program, and we should see 1 to 10 in the output here. And indeed, on the output card, I see the numbers from 1 to 10. I see in green a return to memory cell 00. The final instructions 900, which is a halt HRS. I think that's a halt instruction, or let me go back here. I know it's halt, but the R and S I'm forgetting. Halt and reset. There we go. I was going to say halt and stop, but halt and reset. And you can also see that the accumulator and my cat on my chair behind me is negative 001. She likes to get up on the chair to indicate that her role is above mine and she's more powerful than I am. But anyway, so getting back to the video, I'll go ahead and clear the memory. Let's reset everything and rerun the program stepwise. I can again load from the card deck and step through each instruction. You can see that the equivalent of the ladybug is that green highlighting. I'll go ahead and step again. Gets the next command in there. 803 we can see is set in memory location 99. Step, INP, more inputs and jumps. You can see the instruction register changing and the operand and opcode changing. So that opcode is coming from the first most significant digit of the instruction register, and the operand is the two least significant digits. INP, jump. We'll keep going through and filling in memory cells, as you can see just to the right of this column. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay, and now we'll start running the program. We see 009 low and 04, 001 and 05, and 1 put in the output card. And I can keep going through. We keep going through these cycles, filling in the output card. And I can also, after the next cycle, we're seeing the opcodes, instruction registers, and operands changing. I can press slow and see what that does. It should run the program at a pace that we can easily follow. Well, I guess that's slow in a sense. It's slower than just an immediate operation. But that's kind of nice to see, the flow of particular instructions and where the program counter's going. Yeah, we can see the program flow through memory there. Okay, so I think this is really pretty simple. I'll post a link to this page along with the main cardiac tutorial that Brian Stewart's really thoroughly written here for you all to try out. And in the future, I will work on developing cardiac emulators for Palm OS, for Casio FX series graphing calculators, maybe even a TI graphing calculator. I could also consider middlets, but I'll probably start with learning some Palm OS development. And I think this would be a really good opportunity to have something like one window showing the ALU and then another window showing the memory and being able to flip back and forth between them easily. I could even, uh, sorry for the yawning, think about ways to show these both in the same window, space permitting, but thinking about the resolution, I probably have to have two separate windows. Okay, so with that, I wrap up the video. I hope this was entertaining, enjoyable, and informative for you all. If you have any thoughts, suggestions, or questions, leave them in the comments down below. And as always, please like and subscribe. And as always, if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a great one.